Question 3. The points S, Y, and Z are located such that Y is 15 kilometers south of S and Z is 20 kilometers from S on a bearing of 270 degrees. Calculate correct to A. Part of the question 2SF, the side YZ. B. The nearest degree, the bearing of Y from Z. Solution. Looking at the question carefully, you observe that Y is south of S and Z is from S and the bearing is 270. So this is the best position for S, so that south of S is down. That is where Y is located, and the distance is 15 kilometers. Now from S, the bearing of Z is 270 degrees. That is, from the first quadrant you have 90, second quadrant you have 180, the third one is 270. That is clockwise direction. So Z is in the west of S and the distance there is 20 kilometers. The third quadrant in S, the angle there is 90 degrees. So you are asked to find YZ. That is this side. So this side is facing 90 degrees. So it becomes hypotenuse. Then we have opposite adjacent. Therefore means that triangle YSZ is a right angle triangle, and we can find YZ using Pythagoras rule. So you have YZ squared, the longest side, is equal to sum of squares on the other side. That is SZ squared plus SY squared. So YZ squared is equal to 20 squared for SZ plus 15 squared for SY, and that is 400 plus 225. If you add, you have 625. To get YZ, you take the square root of both sides, and YZ is 25 kilometers. B part of the question should find the bearing of Y from Z. So you go to Z. The bearing used here is 3-digit bearing, and in that bearing you always lay emphasis on the north. So all movement start from the north in 3-digit bearing. So you start from the north till you get to that line that connects Z and Y together. This is the point you have here. So we are interested in the whole of this angle. Already the first quadrant there is 90, so you just need theta. When you add both, you get the bearing of Y from Z. So the bearing of Y from Z is 90 degrees plus theta. Already a triangle there is a right angle triangle, so we can get theta by using tangent, because you have 15 as opposite and 20 is adjacent. So tan theta is equal to 15 over 20, and that is 0.75. To get theta, you take the inverse of tangent of 0.75, and that is 36.87 degrees. Therefore, bearing of Y from Z is equal to 90 degrees plus 36.87 degrees. To the nearest degree, we must consider 126. The next digit is 8, and it's more than 5, you round it up to 1 and you add it to 126, you have 127 degrees as the bearing of y from z. Pythagoras Simplified Maths. If you are viewing and watching from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.